A side or rear window can shatter with no warning and no accident at all. And what you do in the first 10 minutes matters more than most people realize. Side and rear windows are tempered, so they're built to crumble into small cubes rather than sharp shards. That same strength makes them sensitive to hidden stress. A tiny nickel sulfide crystal from manufacturing, a hard temperature swing, or a small chip at the frame corner can all cause it to let go months later. It usually isn't sudden. It's been building the whole time. Pull over, check for cuts, and photograph everything before you touch it. The frame, the fragments, even the VIN plate. And don't press the window switch. Running the regulator with no glass in the track can strip the cable and turn a simple repair into a much bigger one. Most shattered windows fall under comprehensive coverage, often with little to no out-of-pocket cost. A proper fix means full replacement and, when needed, recalibration, not just a temporary patch. That's the kind of judgment a local shop earns from doing this every day. If your window's shattered, reach out to Speedy Windshield Repair here in San Diego for a free quote and same-day mobile service.